This is the base. This one goes straight to the electrical box on the ceiling. Has the ground screw right here, and it looks really standard according to the general electrical boxes. So it comes with the screws and the covers for the wires. So that way we can keep everything secure in case if we are gonna have a shock or something. Material is all metal. It has this texture here. It comes with these screws as well. So here is where the light is gonna be hanging. The other poles we saw a few minutes ago are gonna be attached here. It looks with really good material. It's not weak, so it comes a really good package. Package is really good, and it comes in a plastic bag. Every piece comes in a plastic bag, so that's really nice because and this is how it looks. Everything is metal. This cage is black or it's darker, and the frame on top is brown. It's light brown. So, but the contrast in the color is really nice. It's something different. It's not like something we can see on every store. I like it. So it comes with these poles. So basically they are extensions. So where we are gonna hang our light. So it comes with 4. It's a foot, 12 inches. 4 of them comes with a screw, and these ones they are just extensions. It's a foot as well, and it comes with 2 6 inches. Also, it comes with these covers for the wires, 2 screws. The base for the is going to be the support on the electrical box. This is where the base is going to be, and this is the light. The light from here to here is 34 inches and a 4, and from here to here is 11 inches and a half. It comes with 4 lights, and now we're gonna proceed with the installation. First step, we are gonna install this plate on the electrical box. It's not that complicated. Putting them together and trying to match the holes. In this case, this electrical box is a little bit different. So I need to put these screws, as they are a little bit longer than usual. Now the next step is connecting these extensions. So according to the height you want, in this case I'm gonna install 1 foot long, and it is too easy to do. Just connect this part of the extension to this screw this way. It's already connected. Now for the second one, it's a little bit different because it comes with the electrical wire. So what we have to do is removing this. Then we're gonna pass our wires through the extension. Let's do the same for the ground. Then we need to do the same process on this plate. We need to pass the wires, ground as well. Now, once we already pass the wires through this part to our extension, it is really important because when you first open these connectors here, it comes with a screw on this hole. You need to remove that screw. That way it's going to allow you to twist this guy and connect it to the extension. So you'll remember one of the extensions is the one that is going to have the wires through. So in this case is this one. So you need to tighten it till it is secure. Then it comes with some nuts here. You need to tie this one as well. Just a recommendation, before we're gonna do the electrical part, just put these bolts on. That way it's gonna save you a lot of issues later, because it's really uncomfortable trying to do it when this guy is up. So if you can do it in this stage, it would be great. So the good thing is the balls are going to be protected with this cage, so nothing is going to happen, and they are going to be secure, and you as well. The wiring instructions, they say that there is a smooth coated wire. This one is different than this guy that it says it is rib coated wire. So this guy, the rib coated, that one goes to the white wire, and the other one to the black one. So that's something different. I was expecting something like a bicolor, right? But you can see here the wiring. This one goes to the white, and the one that is flat goes to the black one. So that's the only difference, and just be careful with that. So the red one to the white, the flat one to the black one. Next step is connecting the wiring. So the black one, remember, is the flat one, and just cover it with this wire protection. Be sure that there is nothing uncovered, because just to reduce the possibility of having an electrical shock or short. And then we're gonna do the same with the other one. It's really simple, so it's not that complicated. So just twist it. As we mentioned before, just be sure that nothing is exposed, just to reduce possibility of having issues later. So now we can cover, or we can hide the wires on the electrical box. Now the next wire to fix is the ground. Just take this one, and the mounting plate comes with a green screw here. Just be sure to put our ground around it, and then just screw it back. Now the next step is putting our light on the plate. It comes with a screw with this one, and on the plate, I'm gonna put it down a little bit. It's gonna be on this hole. You can move it and make some adjustment before you're gonna tighten it. So be sure that it's on the position you prefer, and just tighten this screw, this cover. Now it's really tight, and we are ready to turn it on. Yeah, we are ready. And this is our final product. So it's really nice. So as I mentioned before, it's something different, but it looks really nice. I think the style is rustic, but it comes up with something really nice, interesting, and I really like it. I hope you as well.